the Z-axis seems slightly off, adjust the feed rate to 20%.
Confirmed. Running the test cut now.
The clearance on arm 3 looks tight right here.
I see it. The timing sequence is still off by milliseconds.
Readiness check complete. Airflow and temperature are steady.
Good. The spray calibration passed on all points.
The metrics look solid for the next run.
Agreed. Control panel shows ready status. We're clear to proceed.
The gap on the rear panel is slightly off spec.
The scanner confirms the variance. I'll log it.
Keep coming slow.
Strap secured on this side.
All green for transport.
Wheel clamps checked and secured.
Okay, marking restraints complete on the tablet.
Alignment and clearance data confirmed within parameters.
Excellent. Proceed with the final sign-off. The vehicle is cleared.
Documentation confirmed on chassis 42. Ready for approval.
Approved. Initiating transport sequence.
All systems are showing green across the board.
Confirmed. Safety checks are complete on my end.
Manifest confirms the dark blue units. Everything secured?
Yes, Supervisor. We are clear for departure. Everything checked out. Sending authorization now.
Confirmed. The barrier is clear.
Check the restraints on the top deck, just to be sure.
Already done, Supervisor. Everything is secured.
Alignment looks good on the secondary track.
Confirmed. Battery readout is stable.